Greetings and welcome to another video for the multi-store add-ons for WooCommerce. In this video, we will go over the header widget feature. So the header widget allows your customers to select a store location on your storefront, and by doing so, all the prices will be updated based on the location that they select. So for example, if a customer selects a location in Seattle, then the prices will be updated based on the Seattle location. And by doing so, you can provide accurate location-based prices before the customer heads over to the checkout page, and this can avoid a lot of confusions. So now let's see how the header widget actually works. Here we have a store selected in Lakewood, Colorado. Let's choose a different store, and once we choose a different store, you will see that the prices will be updated based on the store that we selected. So let's select a store in Denver. And as you can see, the prices have been updated to reflect the location that we selected. So now let's see how you can enable the header widget on your store and how we can change the price for a item for a particular location. So let's head over to WordPress and go to the Agile Store Locator plugin, which is required to access multi-store add-ons for WooCommerce. And from here, we will go over to the WooCommerce section. Now let's head over to the Inventory tab. Make sure that the Inventory module is enabled, and under Store Selector Widget type, select the header widget. Scroll down here and click on Save Settings. Now the header widget will be enabled on your store. Let's now change the price for a product on the store that we selected. Go to Products, click on All Products. Now let's select a product to change the price for. Let's go for this shirt. Click on Edit. Scroll down here to Locations. Now let's locate the store which we selected on the header widget. It was bird called Union Station. Click on Edit. Now let's set a stock for this item, and the price, let's set it as 120, and the sale price will be $88.99. Click on Save. Close this. Click on Update Once. Now let's head back to the store and see if the changes have been taken place. So this is the product for which we changed the price for. Let's update the page. And you can see the new price has been added for this location that we selected earlier. So the header widget comes with a lot of features that you can go over one by one on this page over here. A link for this page will be made available at the end of this video or in the description box. So one useful feature is the fully customizable aspect of the header widget. So you can customize the header widget in a variety of ways. Let's briefly go on how you can customize the header widget. Let's head back to WordPress, go back to Agile Store Locator, click on ASL Settings. From here we will go to the Customizer tab. Click on the template here, select Store Locator, then select the section which you want to customize and click on Load Template. After you customize the template, you can click on Save Template and the changes will take place. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.